So this is it. It's a toolbox, like I said, and this is the final product. So I painted it and I added the tools at the top and then the kiddies' names at the front, and this is what inside. Construction site. There is a construction theme bottle of bubbles because kids love bubbles. There are two stamps. They're just little stamps to like stamp a shape, and this is the shape on the front, like the outline of the different construction vehicles. This is the favor box or the goodie bag if you're Jamaican, and you know it has like a goodie bag that the kids took home after the party yesterday. I'm actually super proud of this. So yeah, that's it.